Magandang araw sa lahat. Welcome to our podcast entitled One More Chance. A film comparison of If Only Rewind. I am Marco, your host. Kasama ko kayo ng dalawa ko reviewers. Let me introduce ourselves.
Ako po si Jan Paul.
So, Jan Paul, ano ang summary mo about sa movie na If Only at saka Rewind?
Sa If ang summary ng movie na yun is Ian's girlfriend Samantha dies in a car accident after a party. He's given the opportunity to live that day, knowing what will happen, tries to prevent her death. Sa Rewind naman, John, married to Mary, drifts apart, has infidelity issues. There's an accident where Mary dies. He meets a mysterious figure named Dodds, resembling Jesus, who gives him a chance to go back in time to prevent the tragedy, but with a condition: someone must die.
Ito ang pangalawa ng makatulungan sa'yo. Kung may second chance ka, mabago ba ako test?
So ako naman, bahala sa iyo. This film stars Jennifer Love Hewitt and Paul Nichols. Romantic fantasy drama siya. About a man who gets a second chance to fix his mistakes after his girlfriend dies. Parang time loop, concept pero emotional at personal ang approach.
Ang next question ko naman ay, both film tackle love and regret, pero may difference. Ano ang difference na If Only at saka Rewind?
Yung for idea naman is very similar. A lover dies or will die after an argument or series of bad choices. The protagonist regrets things, gets a chance to go back para bumalik sa nakaraan, tries to make different choices to save their loved ones. So Rewind echoes in only its basic life mechanics from this film. If Only is more spare and focused, relying heavily on the personal regret and the romantic one. Rewind uses to stay, box office supporting cast emotional subplots to make it bigger, perhaps aiming for a mass resonance. Sa Rewind naman, it expands the formula. Maraming side characters, divine intervention, new conditions, cultural texture, English family, Filipino family, faith, on spouses sacrifice, mga sacrifice ng mga partners, career tension, sa tension sa mga careers ng mga asawa, etc. It also has more gurus and more
So guys, ano ang pinaka-natutunan nyo from the both films? Para sa akin, yung What Will the People Will Love, ako naman yung isa na.
para sa akin, feminist practice, hindi makakuliwas kaya Napoli as yun. Not just romance, but communication is important. Lastly, forgiveness. Forgiveness din sa pagtao at sa sarili mo.
Tapos ang parts of If Only and Rewind, kung gusto nyo naman ng Hollywood, classical, watch If Only. Pero kung gusto nyo naman ng Pinoy iyakan mo, watch Rewind. Yun lang. Salamat!